One of the biggest topics what we see in the moment is obsolescence, and obsolescence is in the moment everywhere because most of the primaries are older than 10 years. And the actual long delivery times increasing the problems, and long unexpected production downtimes can be the result of the delivery times. And think about if one machine in primary is longer time down, also the factory is down. But you are not alone. We are here to work with you and to find the right solution for your challenges. And it doesn't matter if you only need a wood for a crate or an upgrade for the whole factory. We are your partner for the installed base of Hauni and non-Hauni equipment.